I nominated Catherine because in the lectures I've had with her this year, she's just been, really clear, really thorough with the way that she's delivered the material. She comes across as so enthusiastic and so knowledgeable. She'll bring in examples from her own research, and if you tie that with how down to earth, friendly, and approachable she is, it just makes for such a brilliant learning experience, really. And also, she's just a natural at what she does. She's got a talent where she can bring what might look like kind of really dull or even tedious material off the lecture slides and into the lecture theatre where people can engage in them. So just all round fantastic, really, and really deserves recognition for for the difference that she's made to the modules that she teaches on.